We're told that Fiona starts at an elevation of -6 meters in an underground subway station. After rising m meters on an escalator, Fiona reaches an elevated walkway at an elevation of 3 meters. Which equation could represent this situation? So like always, pause this and have a go at that before we do this together. Okay, before I even look at these choices, let me just see if I can write out what this situation is describing as an equation. So we're starting out at an elevation of -6 meters. So -6 meters. So we're starting out there. And then we rise m meters. So our elevation is going to go up by m meters. And then after we rise by m meters, we're at an elevation of +3 meters. So is equal to 3. So let's see if any of these choices are exactly what I just wrote. So if I look here, it actually looks like choice C is exactly what I wrote. We started at -6, we added m meters to our elevation, and we got to +3. So I like choice C here. But we could validate that these other ones don't make sense. This would mean that I started at 3, I went down by m meters, and I got to 6. So this one actually would have been an equivalent equation if there was a -6 here, but it still wouldn't have obviously described the way the question was written. So we'd rule that one out. -6, this is implying that we started at -6 meters, we added 3 meters to our altitude, and we got to m. That's not what happened. And this implies that we started at 3 and we added m meters, and somehow we got to -6. But we're saying we're rising m meters. So I do not like that one